Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 10th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Who is the author of the book Prince with a Paintbrush, the story of Raja Ravi Verma? What is the name of India's first indigenously developed app store? Under whose chairmanship government has formed an expert committee for Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. Niti Valley and Nilang Valley are located in which state? Who is India's ambassador to Egypt? Which company has launched a new tool called Threaded to help make remote work more efficient? Which organization has released the report World Development Report 2021 for Better Lives, Data for Better Lives? Education Minister has inaugurated the Shaheed Bhagat Singh Samarak in which state? India and Bangladesh will make a film titled Bhagabandhu. The film will be directed by whom? Indian Navy will participate in the French naval exercise called La Pérouse. The exercise was held at which place? So these were some of the quiz questions and let's discuss the answers. Who is the author? Shobha Tharoor. Shobha Tharoor. In India's first indigenously developed app store is Mobile Seva App Store. Under whose chairmanship India Seed Fund Scheme? HK Mittal. HK Mittal. Niti Valley and Nilang Valley are located in Uttarakhand. India's ambassador to Egypt is Ajit Vinayak Gupte. Ajit Vinayak Gupte. Which company has launched the tool? Is Google. Google has launched the tool. Which organization has released the report? World Bank. World Bank. Education Minister has inaugurated Shaheed Bhagat Singh Samarak in New Delhi, in the capital, New Delhi. India and Bangladesh will make a title Bhagabandhu. The film will be directed by Shyam Benegal. Indian Navy will participate French naval exercise La Pérouse in Bay of Bengal. In Bay of Bengal. So these were some of the quiz questions. Let's discuss our today's current affairs. Who has inaugurated Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bhavan hostel building in Secunderabad? So the latest news, which was inaugurated on 9th of June. Thawarchand Gehlot, he is the Social Justice Empowerment Minister. Thawarchand Gehlot has inaugurated Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bhavan hostel in Secunderabad. Which among the following airport has achieved net energy neutral status for 2021? It is Kempegowda International Airport. Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore, has achieved the net zero energy carbon for the financial year 2021. Let me tell you some of the airports. Roorkee Airport recently started its function. Then UP's airport, Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly Airport. Before this, Kushinagar Airport. Then Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool Airport has been renamed to U. Narasimha Reddy. U. Narasimha Reddy. And who is the chairman of Airport Authority? Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev Kumar. And who is the chairman of Air India? Air India? Rajiv Bansal. Rajiv Bansal. So remember these points. Who is the author of the book 1232 km 1232 km The Long Journey Home? So this book has been written by Vinod Kapri. Vinod Kapri's book 1232 km The Long Journey. What is this book? This book is he has the feelings in this, how the lockdown has infected to the poor persons, and this is the distance they have traveled. They have traveled by walk. So this is the book has been written by Vinod Kapri. India will receive 3 MH-60 Romeo helicopter from which country? So India will buy from USA, America. Not only 3, India will buy 24 helicopters. 24 helicopters, and it is a deal of $2.6 billion. $2.6 billion. Where in America? From Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin. Will buy 24 helicopters at a deal of $2.6 billion. And who is the president? 46th president, Joe Biden. Who is the vice president? 49th vice president, Kamala Harris. An Indian origin, Kamala Harris. Joe Biden's son Hunter Biden has written one book, Beautiful Things. Who has been appointed as CEO, Chief Executive Officer of HSBC India? So this is Hitesh Dev. So a direct question from CEO. Hitesh Dev has been appointed as the CEO of HSBC India. Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited. Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited. Headquartered is in London. Remember one more. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we have read RBL Bank's Vishwavir Ahuja reappointed as the CEO of RBL Bank, and his tenure has been given 1 year more. Has increased 1 year more. Ratnakar Bank Limited, headquarters is in Mumbai. So remember both 1 and 2. Facebook has launched the Tech Scholarship Program for which students? So this is for law students. Facebook has launched these Tech Scholarship Programs for law students. An expert committee headed by K.P. Krishnan on Variable Capital Company has submitted its report to International Financial Services Center Authority (IFSCA). Who is the chairman of IFSCA? Remember, the headquarters is in Gandhinagar. Gujarat, and the chairman is Injati Srinivas. Injati Srinivas. An expert committee has been headed by K.P. Krishnan on Variable Capital Company has submitted its report to IFSCA, whose chairman is Injati Srinivas. A makeshift COVID-19 hospital was recently inaugurated in which state? So, a makeshift hospital has been inaugurated recently in Himachal Pradesh. In which district? In Una district. In Una district. In Una district, we have the Himachal Pradesh first mega food park. First mega food park has set up in Una district. So remember this. Who is the Chief Minister? Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur. What is this makeshift COVID-19 hospital? This is a 140 bedded hospital. 140 bedded hospital built in 1 month. Built in 1 month, and it is providing oxygen also. Oxygen supply. Within 1 month, this hospital has been inaugurated by the Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. So, if you talk about Himachal Pradesh, Himachal will celebrate their Statue Day on 15th of April. 15th of April, and recently they have launched Parvat Dhara scheme. Parvat Dhara scheme. Then Ayush Ghar Dwar in May or June itself they have launched Ayush Ghar Dwar scheme. Then recently they have launched one helpline number called 1100 under Mukhyamantri Seva Sankalp. Mukhyamantri Seva Sankalp helpline number 1100. So remember about Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Papua New Guinea? So Sushil Kumar Singhal has stepped down now. Now, yes, Inba Sekar has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Papua New Guinea. If you talk about Papua New Guinea, what is the capital? What is the capital of Papua New Guinea? Papua New Guinea's capital is Port Moresby. Port Moresby is the capital of Papua New Guinea. Walter Burrell has won the Best Film Award on Environment Conservation at 67th National Film Award 2021. Who is the director of this movie? So the director is Shantanu Sen. Shantanu Sen has directed the film Water Burea, has won the Best Film Award in Environmental Conservation, and this film is based on Arunachal Pradesh. This film is of Arunachal Pradesh. Remember one more movie. Its name is Nomadland. I will tell you the director of this movie. The director is Chilo Zhang Go, and it is a Chinese movie. It is a Chinese movie. If we talk about Arunachal Pradesh, who is the Chief Minister? Pema Khandu. Who is the governor? B.D. Mishra. B.D. Mishra. If you talk more about Arunachal Pradesh, we have Arunachal Pradesh. Capital, okay, capital, what is the capital? Itanagar. Recently they have launched one campaign, Year of Education. Year of Education. Year of Education. Which country is the first country to formally adopt Bitcoin on legal tender? So this is El Salvador. So El Salvador is the first country to formally adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. What is the capital of El Salvador? The capital of El Salvador is San Salvador. San Salvador. Who has assumed charge as new election commissioner of India? Direct question. So this is Anup Chandra Pandey. Anup Chandra Pandey has been assumed charge as new election commissioner of India. International Cricket Council (ICC) has partnered with which company for being its global tournament sponsor for the year 2021 to 2023? So this company is BharatPe. So ICC has partnered with BharatPe for being global tournament sponsors from 2021 to 2023. If we talk about BharatPe, who is the CEO of BharatPe? Ashneer Grover, yes. Ashneer Grover. BharatPe was established in 2018 and its headquarters is in New Delhi. BharatPe's ambassador is Salman Khan. PhonePe's ambassador is Amir Khan. If we talk about ICC now, ICC's headquarters is in Dubai. And who is the chairman? Chairman is Greg Barley. I think he is from New Zealand, I think. Okay. Which state has announced Pran Vayu Devta pension scheme to benefit trees? So which state has announced Pran Vayu Devta pension scheme? So this is Haryana. Haryana has announced this Pran Vayu Devta scheme. Who is the chief minister? Manohar Lal. And they have implemented recovery of damage to Property Act recently. And Sanjeevani Pariyojana has been launched by Haryana government. Then recently they have launched Oxygen on Wheels. Oxygen on Wheels. And COVID emergency loan scheme. COVID emergency loan scheme. One more very important, Harrier scheme or policy, you can say. So policy is better one. Harrier policy. Ranjit Singh Bisale has been appointed as education advisory to which bank? So first of all, Ranjit Singh is from Maharashtra, Solapur district, and he has been appointed as educational advisory of World Bank. Who is the president? David headquarters is in Washington. And recently, if we talk about World Bank has given $32 million to Mizoram, and $68 million to Nagaland. And one more, World Bank and AIIB together funded $300 million to Punjab state. Who is the president? David Malpass. Recently, they have released one report. You should know it. World Development Report. World Development Report is released by World Bank. So these were the current affairs of 10th of June. See you on 11th of June.